The brown hat. The MSA SkullGaurd. Why does everybody wear these things? Let's find out. So MSA, or Mine Safety Appliance, introduced this hard hat in the 30s, working with Thomas Edison to develop a battery-powered lamp on the hat to avoid igniting fire damp in the mines. This design was developed and is still used today after some updates and upgrades over the years. They called it a bake light and said it was made out of bakelite. But bakelite is actually a trade name and the wrong one in this application. The stuff this hard hat is made out of, or helmet, is phenolic resin woven in fabric. Say that 10 times fast. It goes by the name Tufnol. A huge pro with this hard hat is it's designed for the industries to withstand radiant heat up to 350 degrees. They designed this hard hat when aluminum was lacking conductivity protection and heat reduction. They were a big timer right off the bat. This hard hat can withstand sudden impacts with high heat, and it's still light enough for practical everyday use. Extremely popular in the coal mines, steel mills, and for welders, and is worn across the world today by many different trades. They make these hard hats in all sorts of colors nowadays, like white, orange, blue. If you've enjoyed this video so far, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Anyway, you can tell how old one of these hard hats are by the color. If it's a bright tan, it's brand new. If it's kind of darker like this one, it's older. The older it gets and the more sun it absorbs, the browner it gets. The manufacturer says this hard hat's only good for 5 years. They even have a stamp on the brim that tell you the dates that it's good for. Kind of hard to see on camera, but this one was my uncle's hard hat back in the day. And the dates are 84, 85, 86, and 87. So that's why it's such a dark brown color. I personally like the dark brown color better. Plus, you can't just go buy this off the shelf. You can buy a brand new tan one. But the years of iron that this hard hat has seen is just crazy. If this hard hat could talk, I wouldn't even want to hear the stories it has to say. It'd be scary. The Stazon old school liner, which is in this hard hat, is still manufactured today. The hack is to get a large liner inside of a medium-sized hard hat. They click right in the same way as if it was a typical liner. The reason why is because then your head will fit inside your hard hat more, which in return will be more safe because it'll stay on better. Plus, it doesn't make you look super goofy with a dang 5 head way up in the air. So it's here, way up here. I will drop a link down below for the old school liner that I just shared that's in my hard hat. It's only like 13 bucks and it's extremely comfortable. No joke. There's also a pretty cool liner other than the typical stock one. They make it flip from front connector decker style to back super welder style, which makes it extremely practical in my job. I haven't personally wore this liner, but I know a lot of ironworkers and co-workers that wear the liner and they love it. But I can't tell you my honest opinion like I can this liner, because I've never wore it. I can tell you that the idea is extremely clever, and I always love how the industry likes to adapt and overcome. I will also drop a link down below for that liner. I think it's like 20 bucks. If you want nothing fancy and just a stock liner, I'll put that link down there too. I have recently made some hats. I'm going to be selling some hats and some stickers that can be placed on your very own hard hat. There'll be a link down below for that also. I can't express how much I appreciate you guys, because without you guys, there's no channel. Feel free to comment down below if you have any special requests for videos or any comments that you think I can do better. I love getting feedback and help from you guys. And as always, if you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and before you get off YouTube, feel free to watch this video here that I did, and this video here that I did a little while ago. Maybe you can learn something else. Work safe out there. Yeehaw.